so we're back here. I went around and I used my 4-inch taping blade here to shave away any of the lines that were incurred from skimming from left to right here. Now we're going to go this way, which is perpendicular to what I just did here to help fill in the lines and to create a smooth surface. Now again, after the first coat, it's not going to look perfect. There's going to be high spots, there's going to be low spots. But the most important thing is just to get that first coat up there. And don't worry about the lines because you can always just shave them down. And again, don't sand it because you don't want to create no dust because we have to skim coat again. So again, just use this technique of scraping down any lines. So now we're going to skim coat. And again, I have my green top USG all-purpose joint compound here. And you can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's or a hardware store. Now, this is what my mud looks like. As you can see, there's no mud that has dried to the sides of the pail here, and that's very important because after I was done with the last skim coating, what I did was I used my 4-inch blade here to wipe down the sides, and then what I do is I use a sponge and to clean this right here, because if you don't do that, then all that mud that's on the side of it dries, and then when you go to pick up more mud, it falls in there, and then you get junk in your mud, and it creates lines. So you don't want that. So you always want to keep the inside of the 5-gallon pail clean, so that when you go to skim coat, you don't get all that junk in like your mud. So we're going to load up here, and again, I have my 4-inch blade right here, and I'm just going to do that right there. And again, we don't want to make a mess of this, so we don't want to put so much mud on this that it falls off to like the floor and stuff like that. So I'm going to probably do like 6 scoops here. That on there, and again I have my 12-inch trowel here, so we're gonna reorganize it like that, turn it counterclockwise, give it a little shake, and now I can turn it upside down. Won't have to worry about the mud falling to the floor here. So we're gonna come over here now, and again I skim coated from left to right the last time, and now we're gonna go this way here, which is perpendicular to like the last coat here. So again, we're just going to load up in the middle of the trowel here and bring it probably like 1 inch from the corner and skim it. Now that leaves a little bit there. I'm going to load back up here and skim it. Now the mud has traveled to the end of the trowel there, so I'm going to clean that off there. Come back here and load that up. You want to overlap probably like 10 to 20% there on top of the last one. Okay, so I'm going to clean this off here. Reorganize it here, put it to a ball, and give it a little shake. Okay, so I'm going to borrow some mud there, and I'm not too happy with that, so I'm going to borrow some more there, borrow a little bit more there. That gives me, I'm not too happy with that, so I'm just going to load up again and bring it into the corner. And again, when I bring it into the corner, I'm giving it a little shake, which forces it tightly into the corner there. Okay, so that's right there. Now we have to do this side right here. So I'm just going to load up a little bit there. Bring it into the corner. Yeah, you can always use like your 6-inch blade too to work it into the corner here. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. Now, I'm just gonna skim tight there. There's an area here where it's kind of concave, so I'm just going to add a little bit more mud there. And skim tight, and that's smooth there. Come in, go like that. I'm going to clean this off here. Feather off this side over here. So to feather off, I'm going to put all the pressure on the right hand side of the trowel here. That's skim tight there. Come back over here and go like that there. Now I'm going to just clean up this corner here just by going like this. And come there. And I'm very happy with that there. So clean this up, reorganize that there. Now the toughest part is trying to get out of the corner there because you have to do both sides there, like that. So it's gonna, well, you know what? I'm gonna load up like this and come over here and come into what I just did right there. This up here, load up kind of on the downward side of the trowel there, and hit that there. Now, I'm gonna get this corner here, put a little bit mud there, come within like an inch, and I still have some mud there. So that takes care of that there. Clean that up. And I just want to come into what we just did there. Okay, and just going to clean this up here. And I'm happy with that.